On Tuesday, we went to Prince Mshiyeni because of the challenges that they were facing. And what we did on that day, we took the municipality with us, purely because water is not what we provide as the Department of Health. Water is like electricity. We are the end users. The service providers to us when it comes to water is the municipality. So we then had to bring the municipality along to say, we are struggling with water and you've known this for some time, what are you doing about it? So that meeting was a very fruitful meeting, and as a result of that engagement, we have seen a change in how things are done at Prince Mshiyeni. However, because of the explanation that we received from the Metro, we realized that we now needed a plan for all hospitals in the city. So we've got now a small team that encompasses, or that has the management of the Department of Health and the management of the city, that will look into different hospitals and how they will be affected at any given time by issues of water, and what plans are going to be put in place to be able to deal with that.